Very good morning, students, and Jai Hind. I am Adesh with my subject accountancy, class 12, chapter number 4, change in profit share ratio among the existing partner, topics, preparations of balance sheet. If we have a questions and then the informations are also given, and in that question, if need to prepare the balance sheet of the firm, then what the treatments are required to do related to the given adjustment, related to the transactions, related to the account. So here already I have written a question today which we are going to solve it. In this question we will prepare balance sheet also. In earlier questions we learned the treatment of accounting, gaining and sacrifice ratio, old new ratio, and how we will treat the how we will distribute the reserves and profit and fictitious assets and losses among the partners in their profit share ratio. And we already have learned to prepare the revaluation account and partners capital account. And today after that, this is the final step of preparations of account in the partnership firm, that is the balance sheet. Okay, so let's start the reading of the questions and then we will start to solve the questions according to the informations what will be there in the question. Balance sheet of X and Y. There are two partner X and Y who share profits and losses as 5:3. As at 1st April 2020 is XY का प्रॉफिट लॉस जो शेयर होता है 5:3 में होता है और 1 अप्रैल 2020 को इनकी बैलेंस शीट गिवन है जिसमें हमारा लाइबिलिटीज़ हैं एक्स कैपिटल, वाई कैपिटल, जर्नल रिजर्व, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स, एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोविडेंट फंड and workman compensation reserve. So these are the liabilities of balance sheet of X and Y partners. Assets, goodwill is given, machinery, furniture, debt, sundry debtors, stock, bank, advertisement, suspense account. These are the assets of this particular firm which is operated by X and Y. Now some adjustments are also given. The adjustments are: on the above date, they decided to change their profit share ratio to 3:5. What is the old ratio? The old ratio is 5:3 and now they are changed 3:5. It will be the new profit share ratio among the X and Y. एंड एग्री अपॉन द फॉलोइंग. नीचे कुछ एडजस्टमेंट्स हैं और इन पर ये एग्री हो जाते हैं. क्या क्या है? ए पॉइंट है गुडविल बी वैल्यूड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 2 years परचेजेज ऑफ द एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ द लास्ट 3 years. देखिए गुडविल ऑलरेडी गिवन है बट अगेन दे सेड गुडविल बी वैल्यूड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ 2 years परचेज ऑफ द एवरेज प्रॉफिट ऑफ द लास्ट 3 years. पिछले 3 साल का जो एवरेज प्रॉफिट होगा उसके 2 years इक्वल जो कि आपकी गुडविल होगी, 2 years परचेजेस के इक्वल गुडविल होगी. तो ये हमारी न्यू गुडविल का वैल्यूएशन होगा यहाँ पर. और जो ओल्ड गुडविल है, ओल्ड गुडविल को ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयर रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लिया जाएगा पार्टनर्स के द्वारा. ओके, सो ट्रीटमेंट वी विल डू. सो फर्स्ट वी आर रीडिंग द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट द इंफॉर्मेशंस आर देयर. प्रॉफिट्स फॉर द ईयर एंडेड 31st March आर 2018 को 7,500 है, 2019 को 4,000 है, 2020 को 6,500. 3 years profits are these. Okay, so what thing we have to remember? So don't waste of time to read the question once again. 2 years purchases and average profit of last 3 years, and last 3 years profits are 2018 के लिए 7,500, 2019 के लिए 4,000, 2020 के लिए 6,500. Again, we don't have need to read complete questions, so that's why I'm underlining the important concept which are useful, which we will use. Machinery and stock be revalued at rupees 45,000. Machine values are 45,000 and stock values are 8,000 respectively. ओके, मशीन की वैल्यू 45,000 रखी गई है अब, और स्टॉक की 8,000. ऊपर कितनी दी हुई है? मशीन 38,000 है, इसका मतलब वैल्यू इंक्रीज़ हुई है 7,000 से. स्टॉक 8,000, पहले कितना था? 7,000. 1,000 इंक्रीज़ हुआ है. सी पॉइंट, क्लेम ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन इज़ रुपीज़ 6,000. देयर इज़ क्लेम अगेंस्ट द WCR. क्लेम of workman compensation is rupees 6,000. And then what they are asking in the question, journal entry or the accounts, what the thing they are asking. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and the balance sheet of the new firm. New profit share ratio will be changed, so then the reconstitution of the partnership firm will be there. So partnership, if reconstituted, that the new firm will be generated over there. So then they ask revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet. These three things we have to prepare related to this. Already I have prepared the format of revaluation account and then partners capital account and balance sheet. Now first thing, what we have required to solve these questions, we have need to do the transaction related to the profit share ratios. First, old ratio 5:3 and new ratio 3:5. So old ratio x 5/8 and y 3/8. New ratio for x 3/8 and to y 5/8. I am putting the formula of sacrifice ratio. So it is equal to, sacrifice means old more than the new. It means old ratio minus new ratio. Okay. So toward x, old ratio 5/8 minus 3/8. 8 LCM, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2/8. It is a sacrifice because it is a positive value and we are putting the sacrifice ratio. And y 3/8 is old ratio minus 5/8 is new ratio. So 8 will be LCM, so 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2/8. It is gain ratio. ओके, सैक्रिफाइस का फॉर्मूला पुट कर रहे हैं और नेगेटिव वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी हमारी? गेनिंग रेशियो. सो नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव नीड टू डू द transactions. If we have need to do the transactions related to this, first of all, goodwill be valued on the basis of 2 years purchases of the average profit of the last 3 years. पिछले 3 साल का जो एवरेज प्रॉफिट होगा उसको TS परचेजेस के इक्वल हमारी गुडविल होगी 3 years. सो गुडविल of the firm is equal to average profit multiply number of years purchases. So average profit, what will be there? 3 years 7,500 plus 4,000 plus 6,500. upon 3, and number of years purchases are 2 years purchases, so multiply by 2. 0 carry 1, 6 4 10, 7 17 और 1 18, divided by 3, multiply 2. So 6 into 2 equal to rupees 12,000 will be the goodwill of okay, we have evaluated. And the treatment we will do first. Nothing information they have given related to the change in profit share ratio, related to the goodwill. What they have to do, they will distribute, or they have to write off, or again they have to raise. If they did not given any information, so that goodwill will be adjusted among the partners in their gaining and sacrificing ratio. Okay, so then what will be the gaining and sacrificing ratio? Already we have calculated. So if Y is gaining, so he will be debit. So Y is capital account debit and to X capital account. So amount according to this 12,000 multiply 2 upon 8, 3,000, and 12,000 multiply 2 upon 8, 3,000. So 3,000 Y will be debit and 3,000 X will be credit. Okay, this is a working note. So according to this journal entry, if Y is debited and X is credited, so Y is debited, debit will be there, so by 3,000 of rupees, but the another account is X. X will be written over here with the X is debiting, so X capital account, and by first of all we should write the balance by balance BD. So what are the balances? X and Y, 52,000, 54,000, 52,000 and 54,000, and by X is credited by this journal entry, so 3,000 we will write in the credit side, but the name will comes as Y, so Y capital. So treatment of this goodwill already we have done, but one more goodwill is still left. According to, if we are completing this one now, so that's why one goodwill is also left, that is 8,000. 8,000 rupees of goodwill will distribute among the partner in the old profit share ratio. So if goodwill is distributed, so then partner will debit and goodwill will credit. Why? क्योंकि goodwill हम यहाँ पे इसको remove कर रहे हैं, फर्म से रिमूव कर रहे हैं किसी भी एसेट्स को, तो वो क्या क्रेडिट होगी, और पार्टनर डेबिट, तो इट मीन्स दिस साइड. तो टू गुडविल अकाउंट and 8,000 will distribute among the partner in their old profit share ratio, 5:3. So 8,000 will distribute, so 5,000 for X and 3,000 to Y. So the treatment of goodwill already we have done. Now second point, machinery and stock be revalued at rupees 45,000 and 8,000. So machine value 38,000 was there, and now the value of machine is 45,000. So now machine is increased, so the increased value of assets will come in credit side of revaluation by machinery account. Machinery account 45,000 minus 38,000, so 7,000 will in credit side. Similarly, by stock, now stock account, now the stock value is 8,000, but earlier it was 7,000 in balance sheet. So we will subtract 7,000, then the 8,000 will still have. But according to new balance sheet, so machinery value, what will be the machinery value? Earlier it was of 38,000, but 7,000 rupees increase. So total value will be 45,000 in current situation after the change in profit share ratio. Now similarly stock, it was 7,000 of rupees earlier, and now it is increased by rupees 1,000. So we will add this, so it will be equal to 8,000. So the adjustment of machinery and stock already we have done. Now claim on account of workman compensation is rupees 6,000. Whatever claim will be there, so then it will generate a liability. So the journal entry will there according to WCR, workman compensation reserve is 10,000. So I am doing the journal entry, workman compensation reserve account debit to WC claim account 10,000 and claim is 6,000, and the balance will distribute among the partner in the profit share ratio X capital account and to Y's capital account. कितना अमाउंट 4,000 रुपीज़ will distribute according to 5/8 इन ओल्ड रेशियो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो गए, तो 4,000 मल्टीप्लाई 3/8, so 2,500 and 1,500. This will be the distribution. So journal entry, what will be there? So here is a claim, this is a claim, and if it is a claim, so claim will generate a liability. So it is workman compensation claim, that is 6,000, and rest of the amount will distribute, so partner will credit. So credit, that's why they will be credited by this side by WCR account. The amounts are 2,500 and 1,500, 2,500 and 1,500. This distribution will be there for WCR. So this entry we have done, this one also adjustment we have done, this adjustment also we have done. So now the remaining balances we have to write. Capitals account balance already we have written. Journal reserve. So journal reserve, what we do? Journal reserve is distributed among the partners in old profit share ratio, and it is a liability. If it is a liability, so then liability is removed, so that will be debit. और liability debit होगी तो partner क्या होंगे? Credit. So by partners are credited by general reserves. Amount is general reserve 4,800, and it will distribute among the partners in 5:3. 1,800, I am distributing this amount over here, general reserve. So toward X, 4,800 into 5/8. Okay, 3,000, and toward Y, 4,800 multiply 3/8 is equal to 1,800. Okay, this will be the treatment for general reserve. So that's why 1,800 and 3,000 to X. Every transaction are you getting now? Now employment provident fund, sorry, general reserve we have done. Next one is sundry creditors. So sundry creditor, there is no any adjustment, so these sundry creditors will comes in new balance sheet as it is. Creditors, the amount is 5,000. Next, employment provident fund, no distribution will be there, so these also will come in new balance sheet as it is. New provident fund, that is 1,000. 1,000 WCR, already we have done the adjustment. Now at the asset side, goodwill already we distributed, machinery adjustment was there and we have done. Next one is furniture. So furniture, the value of furniture is 15,000. So this value is as it is will come because no change is there. Next one is sundry debtors, no any adjustment. These values also come as it is. Sundry debtors, the value is 33,000. Next one is stock, the adjustment was there and it is done. Bank account will come, that is 25,000. And here is advertisement suspense account, it is a fictitious asset, so it will also distribute among the partners in their old profit share ratio. So adjustment, advertisement suspense account. So toward X, 800 multiply 5 by 8, it is 500, and toward Y, 800 multiply 3 upon 8 is equal to 300. So if assets is removing, so then it will credit and partner will debit. So partner debited this side, so 2 advertisement suspense account, 500 to X and 300 to Y. Now all the adjustment and the treatment we have done related to this question. Now we have to balancing all three accounts whatever given in this question. So then if we're totaling this revaluation, so the value will be 8,000. Okay, and this 8,000 of rupees will distribute among the partner in the old profit share ratio. So to gain on revaluation transfer to partners capital account. Why capital account? Because there is no mention in the question it is a fixed capital account method or fluctuating capital account method. So if no information is there related to method, so then we follow the fluctuating capital account method. So that's why in fluctuating capital account method all the gains and the losses are distributed to partners in their capital account. So here X capital account and Y's capital account. The amount is 8,000 and 8,000 amount of rupees is distributed in old profit share ratio. So according to this it will receive 5,000, it will receive 3,000. Okay, 8,000 multiply 5 by 8, and for this 8,000 multiply 3 by 5. So that's why they will receive, I am writing here in old ratio for your remembrance, in which ratio this gain was distributed among the partners. Okay, and now this gain is transferred to partners capital account. Partners capital account, according to this, what will be the journal entry? Revaluation account debit to X capital and to Y's capital. So it means partners capital accounts are crediting. Okay, according to this adjustment, partners capital account are credited by 5,000 and 3,000. So in partners capital account we write by revaluation, ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे गेन अकाउंट, इट इज़ ऑफ 5,000 for this 3,000. Okay, so this will be there. Now we have need to total and the balancing of partners capital account. So then if we totaling the Y first, so 300 carry 1 5 6 7 or 3 10 carry 1 6 60,300. This side will be less now, so that's why I have total this here. So to balance CD carried down. Okay, from this we subtract this total. So 300 minus 3, so it will 30, and then 60 minus 6, 54,000. So 54,000 will be the capital of Y, and of X 500 538 10 10 and 5 15 का 5 carry 1 6 65,500, and we will subtract 5,500, it will be equal to 60,000. Okay, this will be the balance of partners capital, and these balances will transfer to balance sheet in liability side. It is capital accounts X and Y. X का कितना है 60,000, 60,000 रुपये X के लिखेंगे और 54,000 towards Y. So इधर Y का लिखेंगे. Then we will totaling this. So 4,000 and then 6 and 1 5, 1,14,000. Okay. Now we will total both the side, and that should be equal. If there is no equal balance, so then some error we have done in our solution. 000, 6 5 11 12 12 or 6 12 or 4 16 carry 1 2 1 1,26,000. And now on the asset side, if we totaling 000, 8 5 13 18 21 21 and 5 26 6 carry 2 4 7 8 and 4 12. बोथ द साइड्स द बैलेंस आर इक्वल. देखिए हमने अब तक हर एक टॉपिक जो है सेपरेटली किया था, लेकिन इन पर्टिकुलर वन क्वेश्चन ऑल टॉपिक्स आर कवर्ड. ओके, सो 8 marks questions comes in your board examination. This type of questions will come. Only in this question we have seen the change in profit share ratio among the partner, but in next chapters we will see the admission of an incoming new partner or retirement of the partner. So these transaction or adjustment will same in all conditions. Okay, whenever the condition will change according to the situation, so then we have to change journal entry or the treatment according to information, whatever the information we will see in question or what the information is given in the question. Okay students, thank you for today. I will send you some more question related to this one and you solve as a homework. Okay, thank you students.